Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own virus. As you read, I'm not responsible if something happens to your PC or someone's PC because this is a real virus, and this was the situation of my laptop. This was situation of my laptop. If you open in 5 times, if you do not close here, if you do not force shut down on your laptop, and if you keep the setting, reload all the pages, so you have to remove that setting and keep starting new page, or else your browser situation will be like, I can't say lol. So remove that setting and again you can keep that setting if you want to experiment the virus. So now let's make the virus. So you can make device on Notepad++. So first type echo space off in column A and click on start and give one link, and again click on start and give space and again give a link, again give a link, again click on start and first what link you give that, again type start and give space, and second what link you give that link, again start, again what link you give that link, and ninth line go to space column A and save it as .bat, and you can name your virus and add at last .bat, so it will become the virus. If you don't add don't save as .bat, it will not become a virus. So yeah, that's it in this video. Hope you liked the video. Please do like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.